Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is TDT, the Developing Trader, coming back at you again with another video. Okay, so I apologize. I was unable to get a video out on Sunday. I was not feeling so well. I'm feeling much better now. I was able to still take a few trades early this week, but my strength was not with me. So I am hitting you today with a video midweek on Wednesday. So let's take a look at what we have here on the SP500. And for the past few weeks, if you've been watching the videos, you can see that we've been making this stairway up into these liquidity zones. Now, what I want you guys to be mindful of, if you're not intraday trading and you're looking for longer term trades, you look at something like the 4-hour here, and you can see that once these divergences once these divergence occurs at these different levels, these are 4-hour trades here. Okay, these are I wouldn't say swing trades, but short-term trades that you can take. Now that's if you're somebody that, let's say you work a job, you're not able to look at the intraday action. You can live here on this 4-hour chart. It would take a longer time for your buy signals or your setups to occur, but if you follow these charts, you can find the same entries that you'll find on any chart. Whatever you're looking at and you got candlesticks and you're seeing the movements up and down, you can see where these different indexes are diverging. You can go ahead and take positions. Like, look, let's take a look at this at the bottom. I was showing you here. This was the YouTube model. It comes through, it sweeps the lows right here, right? We talked about this before. And after taking out these lows, breaking the market structure rate above here, you enter on the gap. Let's say you just held that trade until now. Okay? It's the mindset. Right now you can see we've just hit this price zone right here. We just ran out the liquidity up here and we're inside this fair value gap. Now I want to see what happens in here. Right now it's Asian session. It's 9:43 as I'm recording this. So I got my chart in front of me. I just want to see what price does. If we do have some kind of retracement, we may want to return back to this gap right here. In between here. Okay. If we return there, I'll be interested to see what happens there. We may close in this gap, or we may not. You know, let's take a look at what we got on our other indexes. Let's take a look at NASDAQ 100, that nasty NAS. So you can see here, I'm looking at this fair value gap right here. I'm thinking it's just going to blow these highs out. So, you know, hint, hint, wink, wink. If this thing gets real volatile, you know, if it gets real volatile, could be a nice day. That's all I'm saying. Could be a nice day. So let's take a look at the Dow. All right, and what we got here looks like it wants to gun this thing right here. Very, very, very sweet looking tops. You get what I'm saying? I only trade indexes, so this is what I'm looking at, and what I'm seeing is some juicy tops right here. I'm not saying it's gonna go straight and get it. We still got this, like I said before, we got on these, you know, you look at these indices enough and you just see what's happening. You see what's happening. And let me show you how the stairway to this liquidity, like all these zones here and here and here and here, all those were divergence, and then it diverged here, made this move up. So think about it. Let's just think about it. Unless price makes a complete fall out of the sky, if it wants to keep running these buy side liquidity pools, then what are we looking for? Like, if we've been looking for these divergences, we could have found some good trades, right? Like you want to know what's the bias, what's the order flow. Take a look at it. It's in front of you. All right. So it gets pretty easy once you guys dive into the content. So right now that's what I'm looking at. We may get some peelbacks, but I'm expecting some more bullish action, and if it does get real bullish, I'm expecting some nice bullish action. You get what I'm saying? So we'll see. So that's going to be me for this evening. This is TDT, the Developing Trader. I hope all of you guys have a great week. I hope you have a great month. I hope you go there and crush it. If you had a hard day today, get back up tomorrow. Keep going. Make sure you don't over leverage. Keep your risk management on point and stay in the game. All right, TDT out. Peace.